Hello and welcome to the Chickadee Knitting Club. My name is Caitlin and I am currently in the planning stages of the Chickadee Knitting Club Season 3 and I need your help. So far in the Chickadee Knitting Club, we've covered these topics, but now I would like to know what you would like to learn. At the moment, I have a few ideas of the kind of things that I would like to cover in this upcoming season. But now I would also like to hear from you. What sort of questions do you have about knitting? Is there anything from previous videos that is still confusing or difficult for you? Or are there any new skills that you'd like to try as you continue your knitting journey? So please ask a grown-up and then let me know what you would like to see in this upcoming season. You can reach out through Facebook, Instagram, email, whichever works best for you. And please send me your questions before February 20th so that I'll have plenty of time to get them in before I start filming the next season. I am so excited for Season 3 and I'm very grateful for all your help. Have a lovely and wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you soon.